Welcome back to my YouTube channel Tummy Podcast. And today I want to talk about because I usually talk about things which I feel. So today I wanted to talk about Sylhet and what I have experienced in Sylhet because I have been to Sylhet. अच्छा, वहाँ के लोगों का ना बहुत अच्छा टेक्निक है. Like there, if you're born a girl, then that is much useful thing. I don't know what parents think, but like I'm telling from my point of view कि मुझे कैसा लगता है. So if you're a girl born there, it's like आपको बस 12th पढ़ाना पड़ेगा, आपको बस 10th पढ़ाना पड़ेगा, and you have to be good in English. You're doing IELTS, so spoken English सीख लो, do your IELTS, and then you are looking for a good marriage in abroad. Because all the Sylheti men have been like moving to abroad countries like France ले लो, UK ले लो, most probably UK and America, Canada. There are people, okay, but mostly it is in UK and then it comes now to France because as UK में अभी जाके problem start हो चुका है like about the recently it has started become like rules regulation बढ़ गए हैं, job sector कम हो गया है because of lot of people over there and population. This is why people are doing this now. You know what, I will even not blame the girls. Okay, see, उनको जो उनकी हालत बांग्लादेश में जो हो रही थी ना, वो was worst than anything. So of course anybody wants to get out of a country like जहाँ पे आप अमीर नहीं हो ना, उस कंट्री में there is like for us, for Pakistanis and for Bangladeshis little, okay, if I'm wrong then correct me Pakistanis, मैं बांग्लादेशियों को बता रही हूँ, we think of somehow of getting out of the country because we know हमारी legislation में कितने problems है या rules regulation या security में क्या क्या issue है हमें पता है. So these girls basically they want a secured life and they know that see citizenship भी मिलने वाला है and everything. Due to that they take this step, which is not wrong, which is good. Actually, see, their kids are getting a better future. They think about their kids, कल को मेरे बच्चे तो यहाँ पढ़ेंगे, यहीं पे पढ़ेंगे, यहाँ पे सब कुछ हो जाएगा, and they're gonna thanks mama कि mama आपकी वजह से हुआ है. But usually I don't see kids saying mama thank you. I hardly saw anybody. वो जो ना बांग्लादेश में पैदा होकर फिर जाते हैं, those are more what you call humble about those things. But okay, let's it can be different in different like people to people depends कौन कैसा सोचता है. एक और चीज़ ये सिलिटीज़ करते हैं which is good thing. Okay, they take their family members slowly. Like अगर किसी की शादी हुई ना, they try to take family members like mom, dad, लेकिन यंगर जनरेशन को किसी का कोई मान लो nephew, niece है तो उनको भी लेकर चले जाते हैं to the abroad country and they type of create a community over there कि अब हमें बांग्लादेश ना जाना पड़े for meeting these people, they are already here, so they are kind of creating their home. Also another thing, they buy home and then they stay. पहले ये चीज़ दुबई में नहीं थी. As far as I know, people can buy property in Dubai. पहले ऐसा था लेकिन people didn't know how. अभी क्या हो गया, अभी टैक्स रिड्यूस कर दिया, डाउन पेमेंट ज़्यादा हो गया, अब people can. Okay, I have made a video on that. I think आप लोगों ने शायद नहीं देखा होगा. I know it's money thing, it's boring. Unless you have money and like that type of money, you will not think of property and all. जैसे मेरे पास भी नहीं है यार, पैसा नहीं है, मैं बस बता रही हूँ because someone had might is paying rent in Dubai और उन पैसों से शायद वो मंथली अपना कल को आप क्या बोलते हैं थोड़ा थोड़ा करके पे करके अपना खुद का अपार्टमेंट ले सकते हैं. इट डिपेंड्स कौन कैसा सोचता है और किसके लिए आसान है, क्योंकि आपको अपना सेविंग्स वगैरह अपनी कंट्री बैक टू कंट्री भी देना पड़ता है. सो ओके, दिस थिंग आई वाज सेइंग दैट दीज पीपल क्रिएट अ कम्युनिटी. नाउ देयर आर समटाइम्स प्रॉब्लम कि हम हमेशा अच्छा ही सोचते हैं डेफिनेटली, बट कुछ लोगों के साथ गलत भी होता है. लाइक नाउ देयर इज़ अ हाई राइज ऑफ डिवोर्स. अब वो ना वेस्टर्न कल्चर में ही है. If it's more normalized over there taking divorces and all than our own country, that's why the divorce rates are going high. So what happens is that कि अरे जिनको वो मसला नहीं है कि they can settle, they can be with their husband, they don't have this issue of career, they don't have this issue of like permission thing कि कुछ लड़कियों को तो अच्छे हस्बैंड भी मिल जाते हैं जिनको वो खुद ही the husbands are like I'll give you the freedom to go out to do whatever you want. but most of them are like because their husband brought them, so they have to like kind of be like listening to them, like whatever they said and however they want, like basically a trophy wife. एंड बहुत सारे सिलेटी गर्ल्स डजंट वांट दैट. वो लड़कियाँ जो ऐसे होते हैं काइंड ऑफ you can say their parents, they somehow convince their parents they want to go alone, and if they have money or if they मतलब मान लो कि पैसा जुगाड़ कर लिए कहीं से, they go, and alhamdulillah, that is good, that is also good. ढाका से तो usually girls are going like that. I'm talking mostly about girls because I'm a girl, so usually that happens that लड़कियाँ ढाका से ऐसे ही चले जाते हैं to abroad. After their 12th and everything, they already have planned their life like that, and then they come in between and go. I have even seen in airports parents going there and basically departing their kids, their daughters especially. You will be dependent on this guy if you're a city girl and you married just from the country, and now in return you have to be like अपना करियर जो है वो आपको छोड़ जाना पड़ेगा, because basically you didn't do anything for according to the whole family system. It is more like कि आप housewife रहोगे तो आप ज़्यादा करोगे. That's what happens. But again it's like कि if both the partners are loyal to each other तो कहीं पे भी ये प्रॉब्लम ना हो. बाकी if you're marrying someone for love, even अच्छा ये चीज़ भी चल रहा है कि someone like each other and they get married not for money, not for these things, okay, but इनको पता है कि हम फ्यूचर में we both are gonna try for one of the Europe country. They will try for Europe, okay. Sileti people knows कि यूरोप में आपको citizenship है, इसलिए they will not try for Gulf. Few will try for Gulf, जैसे कि my parents, but then it's not bad. अगर आप business के लिए आना चाहते हो, okay fine, then that's good, okay. Just for investing, business and properties, ये चीज़ें के लिए ठीक है, but then you have to start from a job. अच्छा, तो these people are like, अगर कोई couple है, what they do is they marry in Bangladesh, they stay for few years, they allot money, okay, and then they try for free countries like Germany and Austria, okay, and then वो उस country के लिए कोशिश करते हैं. अब वहाँ जाके भी if you wanna be a citizen of there, you can be there. But there is another way which I found out, okay. This video is very informative. अगर आप लोग ध्यान से सुनो तो then you can get over there free study, and this is for Bangladeshi people, okay, because Bangladesh comes under underdeveloped country. Sorry to say that. It's just like developing country में आने वाला है, okay. So that's why you get a chance to study free in Austria, okay. So okay, ये चीज़ें बांग्लादेशी लड़कियों को ज़्यादा पता है, वो एजुकेटेड उनका तो फिर और भी ज़्यादा है, अच्छी बात है. एंड so these couples then try for this all things and they somehow reach Europe and then they settle there and then that's how they're having a better life. So there are like I can say partnership goals है ना, तो इंसान कहीं पे भी रह सकता है अच्छे से. That is also another thing. I'll explain this thing to you properly, ठीक है. अगर किसी कपल को वैसे करना होता है ना कि एक साथ मूव करना पड़ता है अब्रॉड में, तो देर लाइक बोथ ऑफ देम लाइक लिव इन बांग्लादेश, दे अलॉट मनी जॉब करते हुए एंड बिजनेस में भी, ओके. अब दोनों के अंदर अगर अच्छी बॉन्डिंग होती है, बिकॉज नाउ लाइक दे लाइक ईच अदर एंड दे गॉट मैरिड, राइट. सो दे आफ्टर फ्यू ईयर्स मूव टू अब्रॉड, दोनों दे मे बी अप्लाई फॉर यूनिवर्सिटी. अभी ऐसा हो गया कि यूनिवर्सिटी अप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. इफ़ यूरोपियन कंट्री दैन दैट्स अ प्रॉब्लम, ओके, करना ही पड़ेगा. वर्क वीज़ा मिलना मुश्किल है दैन यूनिवर्सिटी. एंड व्हेन दे रीच देयर, पहले सिलेट में हो रहा था, दे डोंट लाइक दे स्किप द यूनिवर्सिटी. ये भी प्रॉब्लम है, ओके. अभी गवर्नमेंट को पता चल गया है, अब यू कांट, अब यू हैव टू स्टडी, यू हैव टू कंप्लीट. आई विल सजेस्ट कंप्लीट इट, बिकॉज उस डिग्री से जो आपको जॉब मिलेगा दैट विल बी बेनिफिटिंग यू इन लॉन्ग रन, okay. That's how you can do. That's all for today. अगर आपको इस टॉपिक पे कुछ और जानना हो, because I have a lot to say, 1 year of experience about this topic I have, then you can comment me down there.